Hello everyone, this is Pauline Angel, URK20CS1015 from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, KARUNYA. In this video, I'm going to explain you the algorithms for sequential search and binary search. So let us see those programs. So in data structures and algorithms, we usually have a lot of different kind of algorithms for different kind of searches. So two among them are binary search and sequential search. So first let us see the program for sequential search. So the Python code for this particular search algorithm is we have defined a function definition called sequential search, which is having two arguments, array and key. So sequential search is nothing but whenever a particular set of numbers or an array of numbers are given by the user, and if the user wants to search for a particular number, then the condition here which we have given allows the compiler to check for that particular number in a mannerly order, like it starts from the first number and it compares to the key which we have got from the user, and then if this key is equal to that array, particular number in that array, then it will return that number. Otherwise it will increment it and it will go on searching until that particular number has been obtained. It goes step by step, one by one number it goes on incrementing. So this is called a sequential search. For this I have given a range, for using a for loop I have given a range between to consider the length of the array. So using the index number, so array of that particular index number starting from 1, so if it is equal to that particular number which the user wants to search for, then it will return that particular number index. Otherwise it will return minus in case if we haven't found that number at all in that particular array of numbers. So that is the main program for this sequential search, and then I have given this driver code so as to get input from the user. So here if the index is equals to -1, here since return -1 defines that the number hasn't been found at all in that array, so if that index is -1, we will say that the number is not found. Otherwise it will it will say the number is found at particular index with that index number of the index number which the key has been found. So let us run this code and see. So it will ask us to give an array of numbers. So after entering, it will go on searching one by one, comparing every number with the key that we have given. So let us see how it will be displayed. So it is asking us to enter the number of arrays. So let us enter. Let us give numbers like 1, 12, 34, 56, 89, 70, 100, 3, 8. Yeah, I think it's enough. So it will ask us to search for a particular number. So let us give some number, like if we give 70. Yeah, it has given us that the 70 number has been found at index number position 5. So in an array, the index number position will be starting from 0 index number. So 1 will be at 0. So likewise 70 is found at the index number position 5. So what happens if we give a number which is not at all in a particular array? So let us give some numbers, and while asking to search, let us give something which is not in the array. So let us give 3. Number 3 is not there in this array. So let's see what will, yeah, it has returned that number 3 is not found. So this is how a sequential search functions. So let us go to the binary search. Binary search is a simplified or optimized process for this sequential search. Sequential search might take a lot of time to compare every element with the particular key. Since we have given only few numbers, it is easy. But what if we give a number of infinite number of numbers? So this sequential search will be quite difficult to do that for more number of elements. So in that case, binary search is a really good approach, since it is an optimized algorithm for searching. So for this binary search, I have defined a function definition called binary search, which is also having array and x. So this x is the key that which we are going to give. So it has been splitted into three different parts, like lower, upper, and mid. So lower is nothing but the lower range, and upper is nothing but the upper range, and middle is the middle elements. So according to the number which we have given using this while loop, so if this lower is less than or equals to upper, then we have to define the mid position. So mid position is nothing but the upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So in taking this accordance of this middle number, we are going to see whether that particular number which we are asking to search, is it situated in the lower range, or is it in the upper range, or is it in the middle. So if the array of middle, the number which we got after dividing after finding the mid value, if it is less than the number which we are asking for search, then it means that the lower equals to mid plus 1, which means it is in the middle range. Otherwise, if it is greater, then it means that the number might be situated in the upper range. If these two conditions are not satisfied, then it definitely means that it is in the middle position. If these three conditions are not satisfied, ultimately it says it will return -1, which means the particular number is not found at all in the array. So this is how a binary search works. It optimizes the time, so we can divide it up to three parts, and we can find out in the lower section, is it in the lower section, or is it in the middle, or is it in the upper. So accordingly, it will only check if the lower condition is satisfied, it will check only up to the lower number range, and it will find the number. Otherwise, if it is in upper range, it will only check up to the upper range. So likewise, it will check for the particular number and returns the value. So I have given a driver code to take the input from the user, just like the same driver code which I have used in for the sequential search. I have given it for the binary search also. There is nothing different for this driver code. So let us run this code and see. So it is asking again the array of numbers. Let us give 12, 45, 67, 100, 99, 83. And it is asking us to search for a number to search. So let us give 67, and yes, it has given us that 67 number found at index 2. So the index, as I have said, index number position will start from 0. So 12 is in 0 position, 45 is in first position, 67 is in second position. So it has returned us the number is found at index number 2. So let's give something which is not in the array. Let us give numbers like 1, 25, 68, 35, 100, and let us give something like 99, and it will return that 99 number is not found. So this is how a binary search works. So we have seen sequential search and also the binary search algorithms, which are used in data structures and algorithms to search for a particular given number from an array of numbers. So thank you for watching. I hope you understood this well. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.